Chard soup is my favourite soup. I love the taste of chard. I find it much less bitter than spinach. Chard is loaded with goodness, has a rich taste, and makes a delicious thick soup full of flavour. Chard grows bigger and stronger than spinach and is much easier to grow. Unfortunately, it is hard to find in supermarkets near where I live. I like to grow it to be available from June through to November. It can be nurtured through winter in a polytunnel or growing tunnel. Chard comes in all colours and can add interest to a garden or vegetable patch, but I have not noticed a big difference in taste between varieties. Hello, I'm Liam and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family. I like to start the preparation by making the stock, crumbling a stock cube into boiling water. The soup is quick and easy to make. The only real effort is cleaning and chopping the vegetables. Dice the onions, any type of onion will do. And chop the potatoes into 1 cm chunks. For the garlic, I find it easiest to smash the cloves to help separate them from their skin, before chopping them finely. Separate the stalks of the chard from their leaves, and chop off any ugly ends that connected to the base of the plant. The brightly coloured stems should be cut into 2 cm lengths. Start the cooking by adding oil to a pan set over a medium heat. Add the onions, cover with a lid, and allow them to fry for a few minutes. The lid helps keep moisture in the pan to stop the onions sticking, but you will need to stir occasionally. When the onions have softened, pour over the stock that you had previously prepared. Add the potatoes, the garlic, and the chard stalks. Bring the pan to the boil and simmer for about 5 minutes. This gives the chard stalks and the potatoes a head start. The chard leaves need less cooking time. Whilst the pan is simmering, take the washed chard leaves and rip them up coarsely. There is no need to be precise as the soup will be blended. Once the simmering time has elapsed, add some chopped tomatoes and a tin of cooked beans. Red kidney beans, black beans, broad beans will all work well, but I had baked beans in the cupboard so I used those. Give everything a stir and then throw in the chard leaves. Stir again, cover with a lid, and bring the mixture back to boiling point. The soup will need a further 10 minutes gentle simmering. Like spinach, chard leaves collapse during cooking, helping to thicken the soup. At the end of the cooking time, all the vegetables should be lovely and soft. All that remains is to blend the soup. I think the soup looks yummy unblended, but after blending, it turns a spectacular burnt sunset colour. The soup has a gorgeous thick texture, almost a meal in itself, but I do like to serve it with fresh buttered bread for dunking. Enjoy straight away, or store it in the fridge for a few days. You could make large batches and store meal-sized servings in the freezer. All options are delicious. Enjoy. To see the latest videos, sign up to receive the free newsletter. Visit homecoffeeshop.co.uk. There is a link below the video, and sign up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.